Moses is Moses, a Moses, but Moses supposes they're only asleep.
A Mose is a Mose.
A rose is a rose.
A toes is a toes.
Dirty Moses, a Moses is Moses, a roses, but Moses supposes they're only asleep. Moses, he knows it, his toes are to roses, as Moses supposes his toes to be.
It's 2:30 already. It's morning.
Yes, and what a lovely morning. Girls! Good morning, good morning. We've talked the whole night through. Good morning to you. Good morning, good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning to you.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds